Here's how to change currency in Booking.com. First, launch open any web browser and head over to Booking.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. This is going to open up the menu. Here at the top, you should be able to see your current currency. If you want to change that, you simply want to tap on it. Now you're going to find all the available global currencies over here. So scroll down and go ahead and find the currency that you want. For example, if you want to switch to United States dollars, go ahead and select that option. Now the page is going to be refreshed. Now if you scroll down and check any of the prices, it will all be converted into the currency that you have just selected. Remember that changing your display currency makes comparing room rates incredibly easy, but this updates your display preference only. When it comes to pay, the actual charge processed on your credit card is typically handled in the property's local currency unless you select a prepaid online rate. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.